36 District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, no reading, walking, talking, eating, sleeping, driving, smoking, or eating. When your name is called, please unmute your device if muted and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the people versus Tamara Riley. Ticket numbers B122369, harboring and unlicensed dog, B122368, harboring and unlicensed dog, B129402, harboring and unlicensed dog, B122374, failed to vaccinate dog or provide proof of vaccination. For rabies, ticket number B122373, failed to vaccinate dog for rabies and produce proof of vaccination against rabies. Ticket number B122371, failed to vaccinate dog for rabies and produce proof of vaccination against rabies. Ticket number B129403, failed to vaccinate dog for rabies, and ticket number B122370, harboring an unlicensed dog. Attorney, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Rita Young, P44626, appearing on behalf of Ms. Tamara Riley, who is present by Zoom as well.
Ms. Riley, say your name, please.
Tamara Riley.
All right, the court is in receipt of an emergency motion to withdraw as counsel for the defendant. That's been filed by Ms. Young. Ms. Young, do you have any, I guess, additional argument?
Yes, Your Honor. Unfortunately, in my 32 years of practicing law, I have never had so much difficulty obtaining background information from a client in order to build a defense. My client was very argumentative with me, and as a result, there was a breakdown in the attorney-client relationship. And before filing the motion, I told her that I would refund all of her monies that she had paid me, just needed her to sign a consent order. She refused to do that unless I allowed her to write on the order how she felt about the situation. I told her that that would be inappropriate and that as a result, I would file an emergency motion. And if it was granted, that then I would refund her monies. And then I got a call yesterday, just to let you know what I'm dealing with, Your Honor. I got a call yesterday from the referral service that she used, advising me to call them back because she had told them that I refused to return her money that she had paid me, which is untrue. Just to give an example of what I'm dealing with. So I would ask this honorable court to please grant my motion to allow me to withdraw and to give her additional time because she does have a trial date of May 25th, to give her additional time to retain new counsel.
All right, the court will grant your motion to withdraw as counsel for Ms. Riley. So I guess you're excused, Ms. Young. Thank you.
Thank you. I did prepare order, Your Honor. Did you want me to email it to your staff? Or
yes.
Okay, if I could have the email address that you want me to send it to, please.
You can send it to Mr. Ratliff. Do you have his email address?
I do not. If you could put it in the chat, that would be great.
Okay, she's gonna chat you. And make sure you do it today because we'll be gone the next couple of days. Okay.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Your Honor, may I add a comment?
What? Do you think it's necessary, Ms. Riley? Because
Yes.
do you plan on retaining new counsel, or are you just gonna go with house counsel?
That's part of my situation. Before, am I allowed to make a comment? Thank you. I understand, because the first time I saw you, Your Honor, I know I wasn't able to comment, which is why I got legal representation. In my first meeting with Miss Rita, we spoke for 15 minutes. I asked 4 questions, and she said she will be moving away and did not want to represent me anymore. So this was after 15 minutes of discussion, and I directed all my questions towards her, as I should in this matter. I don't feel like in the motion, the clause number 6 and the 7, I just wanted to note that that is not what happened. Our first conversation, 15 minutes, and she didn't want to answer any of my questions, unfortunately.
Well, I'm not gonna get into any conversations that you had with Ms. Young. I know that she's been doing this for quite a while and has represented a lot of people in these types of matters. And so she knows what she's doing. I mean, you got a
Yes,
really good.
ma'am.
So
Yes,
I'm not really gonna question what she's done because her reputation precedes her. But I will give you the opportunity, if you want to retain your counsel, you can, I can give you more time as far as the bench trial. Or if you want to go with house counsel, we can just keep the May 25th date. So what would you like to do, Ms. Riley?
Your Honor, I would like more time. Part of the issue with Ms. Young, she said she had other caseloads. I think she just did not have the time to answer my question as it was very rushed. So I think she could be a good counsel, but in this case, I don't think she had the time to represent me.
Here's the thing, Ms. Riley, I'll give you another date. The only thing is that it's gonna go on that day. I'm not gonna keep adjourning it because this is like our third time.
This is the second time, and I have the right to have good representation, which is my argument.
You absolutely do. And we have house counsel here every day. And most of these lawyers are good lawyers and very capable of handling this matter. I know that the prosecutor indicated that some of these issues can be resolved without even going to trial if you just do whatever is necessary. And I'm sure Ms. Young informed you, because I know that Ms. Young had been in contact. I'm sure she did, because and I know that the prosecutor said it the last time we were on Zoom. So you heard it as well. And I'm sure that Ms. Young related to you in addition to the prosecutor telling you this. So I would just tell you, all I would say is listen to the lawyers. Listen to the lawyers. They're kind of feeding you what you should do. But I will give you another date. I will give you another date of, today is the 17th. We will come back on, let's see, I guess June 14th. We'll come back June 14th. At 8:35, 9 o'clock for trial.
The 14th, you said?
I'm sorry?
14th, the 14th?
Yes. June 14th at 9 o'clock will be your next trial date. So you should retain your counsel as soon as possible so that they can be prepared. I believe you do have copies of these tickets, so.
Yes, I do, Your Honor. I reached out to a law firm yesterday. I'm waiting for a call back.
All right, good luck.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Best to you, Ms. Riley, and I'm going to send your money back today through cash.
And I will be contacting you separately, Ms. Young.
I will be sending your money back today through Cash App, the entire amount that you gave me.
Returning the fund. Yeah.
I'm sorry?
Thank you for returning it.
Okay, thank you. Good day, Your Honor.